Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Grand Theft Auto Online. To begin your adventure, simply launch the game and select the online option from either the character selection wheel or the pause menu. Next, you'll create your unique character, customizing their appearance, gender, and initial statistics to truly make them your own. Finally, complete the brief tutorial missions. They are essential for understanding the fundamental gameplay mechanics and objectives, setting you up for success in the vast world of Los Santos. To truly thrive in Grand Theft Auto Online, you'll need to earn plenty of cash and reputation points, or RP. You can achieve this by completing a wide variety of missions, including thrilling races, intense deathmatches, and engaging contact missions. For much larger payouts, team up with other players to participate in challenging heists. Additionally, selling stolen cars to Los Santos Customs offers a quick and easy way to get smaller cash injections, helping you stay financially stable. Grand Theft Auto Online offers a wealth of activities to keep you constantly engaged and progressing. Invest your hard-earned cash in valuable properties such as luxurious apartments, spacious garages, and profitable businesses to expand your criminal empire. Dive into dynamic free roam events, exciting challenges, and competitive adversary modes for diverse and thrilling gameplay experiences. For an even richer experience, consider joining a crew to collaborate with friends and earn bonus reputation points in many activities. For a smoother and safer experience in Grand Theft Auto Online, consider these advanced tips. Activate passive mode to avoid unwanted player attacks, especially when you're exploring or completing non-combat tasks. Investing in armored vehicles and body armor will significantly increase your protection during intense missions and firefights. Finally, be aware of griefers who might try to disrupt your gameplay. If they become a problem, simply switch sessions or use the Find New Session option for a more peaceful environment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.